Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Galaxy S20 has an impressive camera. It can take some really awesome photos and videos. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some cool camera tips which will make your camera experience with this smartphone even better. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon to see all my future tech videos. Also, you can click over here to see all my Galaxy S20 series of videos, including the unboxing and review. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Galaxy S20 has an awesome camera, but in the camera itself, Samsung has included some really cool features. So my first tip is about the camera itself. Once you are in the camera setting, just press and hold the camera icon. It will start recording a video. To stop the video, just release your hand. Swiping down the camera icon will take burst shot. You can just release your hand to stop it. And not to mention, it will automatically choose the best shot for you. Another cool tip is that when you click on more, you also now get a pro video mode. So if you're shooting a video, you can change the ISO, shutter speed, focus, white balance, everything manually. Now usually there are a lot of applications you need to download from the Play Store, and if you're using iPhone you need to download Filmic Pro application, which is a paid application. Samsung is always giving the Pro feature for the photo mode, but it's good to see that Samsung has also included the Pro video mode, which is really handy because it will give you full control when you're shooting a video from the stock camera application itself. There is also a new useful feature Samsung has included in the stock camera application. So usually when you're shooting a video, you can either shoot from the rear or the front camera, but Samsung is giving you a cool feature. When you're shooting a video, you can flip the cameras. So this is the front camera, this is the rear camera. But you can see over here the video is still recording and you can flip the cameras around. So this is the rear one, this is the front camera. Now while recording the video, you can flip the camera front or rear side multiple times. I think this is really a much needed feature and quite practical also, especially for content creator. If you're showing something to your audience, at the same time you can flip the camera both the sides. Now another cool tip is about the camera again. You can go to the setting and you can choose the option shooting mode. There's an option of floating shutter button. Now this is really very handy. So after enabling this, when you open your camera application, you will have your regular shutter button and you will have a floating shutter button. So for example, I want to click the picture from my left hand. Also I can do that. And this is your fixed regular shutter button. You can move it anywhere as per your liking. Also when you're in the camera setting, in the photo mode, Samsung is giving you this 30x hybrid zoom option. But if you want to manually choose your zoom option, you can just press and hold. You can manually choose the zoom option rather than going 30x, 2x, 10x or 4x. You can press and hold and manually choose the option. So as per your liking, you can choose the zoom option, which will give you less noise. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope these tips will enhance your user experience with this amazing device. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos on Galaxy S20. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.